Welcome back to part 6 of the FZ07 build. Today is going to be the second part of reassembly. I'm hoping to get the bike completely finished in this video, but we'll see what happens. I have the wheels that I just painted in my last video, so if you didn't see that one, go check it out. And other than that, we should have everything we need, I think, to finish this bike off. So, let's do it. Okay, got it started on this side. Oh, look at that. Woohoo! Oh, this thing looks sweet. Man, I'm excited to ride this thing. Look at this, guys. Got the freaking wheel on. Man, it's finally starting to look like a bike again. This is so exciting. So I've got new sprockets. I already got the new one on the rear wheel. Got to put the new one on the front now. And I've got a new black chain, all from Vortex. I did the 520 sprocket conversion, so I think it's up 2 teeth in the back and down 1 tooth in the front. So that'll definitely give me a little extra torque off the line, which I'm pretty excited to test out. So we got this big old 32mm socket. Let's see if we can get this front sprocket off. It's just turning over the engine. Shoot. Alright, well, I had to call in some help for that front sprocket right here because I could not get that off by hand without putting the new chain on to hold it, which I don't really want to do. Yeah, so Tanner's he's at the shop right now. He's gonna bring me one of the 1/2-inch impacts so I can get this thing off easier. And we'll be moving on. So until then, we're gonna work on some other stuff. All right, so while I'm waiting for that impact, I'm going to attempt to put the front wheel on, which means I need to get the back wheel on the stand so that I can use this strap to lift up the front end to put the wheel on. This is probably not the smartest way to do this. Let's get this in. Got it started. Boom. Alrighty. Look at that, we got both wheels on. Woohoo! Man, I'm excited to ride this thing. Now the scary part is releasing this ratchet strap. It should just pop and then the tire should just drop on the ground. There's a lot of freaking tension on this thing. Alright, there you have it. Alright, we also got the impact so that we can get this front sprocket off here. Let's see if this thing can take this nut off. Here we go. Oh yeah, sweet. And we will go right on with the new one. So, okay. There you have it. So we got these little front pieces that go on the front fairing here that we are going to be putting on first. So let's do that right now. Don't want to break it. Oh boy. Well, I broke one of them. Just broke a little tab off right here. That sucks. There we go. I think I got it. There we go. First piece of fairing is on. Go. All right, guys, it's actually kind of crazy how close we are to being done and finishing this thing off. I am going to be putting these guys back on now, and then I'll just be kind of assembling the last of everything with all these new painted fairings. So pretty dang excited. Now we're ready to go on. We're figuring it out. This is exciting. Did I just finish it? Oh my gosh. I think I just finished my bike. Oh, let's go. It just needs one final touch. And just like that, it is a wrap on this build. I cannot believe it. It's been a fun journey, but it's finally done, and I can't wait to ride this thing once it gets a little warmer out because it's still in the 30s. If you guys didn't follow along, make sure to go back and watch from the very beginning when I start tearing this thing apart. If you have been watching the whole series, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You have no idea. If you have enjoyed the series, please hit the subscribe button to help me get to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. Every time one of you guys subscribe, I get closer to my dream, so thank you guys so much. And as always, I like to know who made it to the end of the video. So if you made it to the end of the video, let me know what you think about the build and the final look so that I know who made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, say a prayer, ride safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.